How to unprotect seats on Google Sheet. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can unprotect seats on Google Sheet. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So here I have this sheet which is protected. As you can see, there is this log icon. Now to unprotect it, what you have to do is hit towards this section right here, click on it, and from this menu bar you have to click on protect sheets. Now if you navigate to your right hand side, there you will see this kind of interface. Here click on cancel. Now then you have to click on your protected sheet. After that, in order to unprotect it, you have to click on this delete icon right here and then click on remove, and with that you have unprotected this sheet on Google Sheet. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.